Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create your very own AI voice agent using Retell AI, and trust me, it's a way than easier you think. Whenever you want to automate customer support, book appointments, or handle incoming calls, by the end of this video you'll have a fully functional AI voice agent up and running. So let's dive right in. First, let me quickly explain what Retell AI is. It's a platform that lets you create a conversational AI voice agents that can actually talk to people on the phone with incredibly low latency of around 600 milliseconds. That means natural human-like conversations without awkward pauses. And the best part is you don't need to be a developer to get started. So let me show you how. Alright, step 1 is super simple. Head over to the Retell AI websites and I'll put the link in the description below. Click on sign up and you can start with their free trial to test things out. Just enter your email. Okay, so let's start. Okay, head over to the create AI agent and we will create a voice agent. So we will create a single prompt agent. So I've clicked it and start from blank. Yeah, we will use a simple prompt from Claude, and I will tell it write a prompt
One eternity later.
we'll copy this prompt and paste it on here. Okay, don't worry about it, I will put it on the description. You'll use this exact prompt. We can even test it out right now. Okay, after pasting this prompt we can easily test it out. Just hit the button test and it will say hi.
Hi there, welcome to Store Name. How can I help you find the perfect pair of shoes today?
What type of collections do you have?
We have a wide variety of shoe collections, including sneakers, boots, sandals, dress shoes, athletic shoes, and casual shoes. We also carry options for men, women, and kids with different brands, styles, and materials.
Okay, show me casual shoes.
Great choice. We have a range of casual shoes, including slip-ons, loafers, canvas sneakers, and comfortable walking shoes. Are you shopping for men, women, or kids? And do you have a preferred color or brand in mind?
Can you show me from Nike?
Absolutely. We have several casual shoe options from Nike, like their classic sneakers and slip-ons that are perfect for everyday wear. Are you looking for a specific style or color, or would you like some recommendations based on comfort or design?
You can also use different type of GPTs, like here GPT 5.2 or GPT 5.1. Currently I'm using 4.1. You can also change the voice from here. We can also choose all genders, male or female, also accent, American and British. These functions enable your agent with capabilities such as calendar bookings, call termination, etc. And this is knowledge base. You can use your own AI knowledge base. Just click here and add new knowledge base. Click on here. You can enter any type of knowledge base. Or you can also change the speech settings. Call settings, post call, direct sections, security and fallbacks, webhooks, and MCP servers. You can also add MCP servers here. This is how you can build a completely AI voice agent using Retell AI. And if I wanna publish this, I can publish it from here. I will show store. The description is optional, and just publish here. Okay, and there you have it. You just created your very own AI voice agent using Retell AI. And this technology is incredibly powerful for businesses of all sizes, from solo entrepreneurs to large companies. The fact that you can have 24/7 call handling without hiring a full team. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.